So here we have our Comfort Rail Freestall system. This system features 2 elevated horizontal rails. The neat thing with that is it provides a big open area for the cow to lunge forward underneath the rails. With our cantilever loop, she can also lunge sideways and get up to the side if she chooses. It leaves her plenty of room to where she can lay on her body, she can stretch her front legs out, do whatever's comfortable for her that day. This system uses a drop leg that just simply clamps onto the rails. These rails can be set at whatever height the dairyman prefers. They can be adjusted to make the beds narrower or wider. We use a heavy-duty neck rail bracket, heavy-duty neck rail pipe. These components are hot-dipped galvanized. We offer multiple length freestall loops to accommodate any bed length. And they can also be set up as a head-to-head application like this, as well as a single row stall. We offer a complete line of mounting hardware for the different freestall systems. We have a neck rail adjuster, which is a nice clean way to tie the neck rail pipe into the end wall. By simply removing the U-bolt, you can slide the neck rail pipe 5 inches forward or 5 inches back. We've also got an end wall mount for the rail pipe. Again, it's just a nice clean way to run those rails into the end wall and tie everything together. On our freestall loops, this is a 32.5-inch loop from center of top pipe to center of bottom pipe. We do a 27.5 and a 35-inch as well, which would be our standard sizes. We can also do custom bends to meet any dairyman's unique needs.